First up is the insert cards. This is what drew me to the Cricut Joy in the first place. Now, these insert cards give the user the ability to make cards in seconds. The insert cards come with the envelope, the cards, the insert card part. They're awesome. Just pick your design and go. Once you have your design chosen, we're going to hit go. Choose insert cards because it's a preset material, and that's where the card mat comes out. Now, the card mat is ingenious. It works specifically with the Joy, and to see the card mat in action, check the link down below. We have a video for you. We're going to start using the silver metallic pen. We're going to place that into our Cricut Joy, and you'll note that we were able to put the blade and housing on the upper left-hand corner. You can also do it on the upper right-hand corner. It will hold that housing for you. Once the Cricut Joy is done drawing, it's going to alert us to change to our blade. So we're going to swap out the pen for the blade. And this is what I love. It is actually cutting your card, and you'll be able to lift it up and leave all the negative pieces behind. This is where the brand new Cricut Joy tool set comes in handy. The card mat can be a little sticky at first, and you don't want to ruin your card. So grab that tool set and it will allow you to lift it up, and you'll see all those negative pieces. Just get rid of those, and we're ready to turn our attention to the inside of the card. Pick any design, choose the card mat, and on the preview screen you can center it so that way it's in the middle of the inside of the card. We'll choose insert cards, and this time we'll use the metallic pen again to draw this. Now we're going to fold our insert card in on itself and then put the actual front of the card on the non-sticky part of the mat and the inside of the card stuck onto that card mat. Choose the metallic pen, and it's going to draw our design on the inside of the card. Now, the insert cards are probably one of my favorite features of the Cricut Joy Machine because I love making cards, and you can make these in seconds. When it's all finished, all you have to do is fold it back, grab the insert card portion, and voila, look at that, a beautiful card every time. All you have to do is sign and deliver.